Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Erica Key of Eating with Erica, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of my favorite recipes. My friends, they love this recipe, and you can use this with leftover turkey. It is my barbecue turkey and or chicken pizza. It's delicious. So, to get this party started, you're gonna need Naan flatbread. I use Naan flatbread because they were one of the first companies that gave me a start as an influencer. Shout out to Naan. And the flatbreads are perfect for the pizzas. You have to have cheese shredded. Now, typically, if I have some time, I'll shred the cheese myself just because it melts better and it's not as processed, but I do not have time today, so I use some packaged cheese. Barbecue sauce is one of the stars of this recipe because I like this barbecue sauce because it's sweet and it's honey. You can depend on what type of sauce you like, but I like this one. It works best for us. You also are gonna need cilantro, red onions, and we can get the party started. Make sure to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So to get this party started, you are going to take the barbecue sauce and put a generous amount, and you're just gonna spread it to cover the entire flatbread. My husband absolutely loves this recipe. It's perfect for the day after Thanksgiving, but it's great just if you want to snack throughout the day, and it doesn't take much. After you spread your barbecue sauce, then you are going to take the cheese and you are going to spread it generously. We're cheesy people over here, so the more cheese, the better. I used a sharp cheddar, but mild cheddar works just as fine, okay? After that, you add your meat. The turkey from the day after, because I mean, literally after Thanksgiving, nobody wants to keep having turkey sandwiches. You can do some fun stuff with turkey, chicken, ham, whatever you want to use. But for this one, I say use turkey or chicken. It's very simple to create. No matter what your cooking skill is, you can execute this recipe. And you just add the turkey or chicken throughout the recipe. And I like the flatbread. I use the roasted garlic just because it has a little bit more flavor. And it's very important that you preheat this oven at least 10 to 15 minutes and not on 350. There's other temperatures besides 350. Get in tune with 375 as well. Everyone loves a good 350, okay? And then you are going to, I don't know about y'all, but I like it meaty and cheesy. So we're just gonna have a plethora of both. After that, you are going to take your red onion and just fit it in, get in where they fit in. That's pretty much what we're doing with this red onion. There's no real secret success for the red onion. I just put them where I want to. I love the flavor of a good red onion. And it's simple, it's easy, and it's tasty. I like recipes that are simple yet sophisticated, and they don't require a lot. And you should have some of these ingredients. If you don't have a red onion, a regular onion is a-okay. So this is the product that you are going to put in the oven. Let me add a little bit more cheese. So now your flatbread is ready. You need to put it in the oven. Don't forget at 375, and you will leave it in the oven about 15 minutes or until the cheese is fully melted and it's a little bit crispy at the top. While that is baking, make sure you pour yourself a glass of wine. I love a good Malbec, and we are about to have a delicious pizza. So we've taken our pizza out the oven. We're gonna top it with a little bit of cilantro. And typically, when you first take it out, it's super hot. Make sure, I used a cookie pan to put my barbecue pizza on just because it's easy and it can fit both of the pizzas, and you're going to cut it. So you're gonna cut the pizza. I typically cut it in fours because it's just like a little bit more bite size. But the pizza's super easy. It smells like heaven, and it's easy to prepare. Bon appetit. Okay, so this recipe, what I love most about it, not only is it delicious, but it's simple yet sophisticated. Thank you guys so much for watching my recipe today, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube. Cheers.